CBS 19 weather team is tracking the possibility of severe weather this evening. Chief Meteorologist Brett Anthony joining us now. Brett, what's the latest?
Well, the thunderstorms we think are going to come in later on tonight after 10 o'clock. And I think 10 p.m. to about 1 a.m. is our main window that we're looking at. In fact, this little feature here that came out of the Gulf of Mexico today had kind of a tropical look to it. It wasn't a tropical storm or anything like that, but it was a little upper level low pressure area. It's weakening now as it moves into East Texas, but it had that little swirl. It was a signature little area of low pressure, and it brought a lot of rain over deep East Texas as it weakens to the north. Meantime, this is the line of showers and thunderstorms, and these thunderstorms are increasing east of San Angelo. This has prompted the severe thunderstorm watch all the way to the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, just a little bit even east of that. Right now, Henderson County, Van Zandt, Rains County, Hopkins County in a severe thunderstorm watch until 10 o'clock. And with the anticipation of heavy rainfall starting tonight through tomorrow morning, we also have a flood watch in effect until Thursday morning, though that might get canceled a little bit earlier. So overnight tonight, heavy rain, showers, thunderstorms, some of these thunderstorms possibly severe, especially later this evening. And then overnight, that rain chance will dwindle to about a 50% chance by the morning with a high temperature around 63. All right, here's future Skycast. There's the rain that we're watching move into East Texas. We'll watch these additional showers and thunderstorms out here to the west. They arrive in our western counties at about 10 o'clock when we're on for CBS 19 News at 10. So we'll be tracking these. These little bulges you see here, that's where we may have some wind gusts 60, 65 miles an hour. They'll continue to move to the east. It looks like it stays fairly consistent, and it could pack some winds all the way till about 1:30 in the morning, way out to the Louisiana border. Then finally it ends about 2 a.m. and it's over for the rest of the night. Temperatures falling into the lower 60s. That heavy rainfall threat, 1.5, 2.5, 3 inches of rainfall over parts of the area. Some of these purples would correspond with 1.5 to 2.5. So heavy rain, that's why we have the flash flooding. So the severe threat breaks down like this. 9 o'clock, damaging wind threat begins evident out to our west. It peaks between 10 and 1 a.m. Hail threat is smaller. The flood threat takes over after the wind threat, and that takes us up till about 4, 5, even 6 or 7 o'clock. The small tornado threat is with us as the line moves through, all up and down that line. These would be quick little spin-up tornadoes. And I want to show you one area that particularly that I'm watching. See this area in yellow? These are winds at about 5,000 feet off the surface, but oftentimes they are transferred down to the surface. This yellow corresponds with a 65-mile-an-hour wind gust. So northern Cherokee, southern Rusk County, that's where we could find some very strong thunderstorms for just a brief period of time. So umbrella cast looks like this, and those would be damaging winds if it does happen. Tonight, a 100% chance of rain. Tomorrow morning, it's about a 50% chance of rain, and then tomorrow afternoon, about a 30% chance of rain. Hour by hour, you're looking at temperatures climbing after the rain ends tomorrow about noon. We should make it up to around 70 to 75. Here's the Baylor Scott & White Texas Spine and Joint Hospital 7-day forecast. So mainly morning rain and thunder tomorrow, 75 for the high. Then beautiful weather returns Thursday, 81. It's sunny and warmer Friday, 84. A warmer day Saturday, 89. More humid on Sunday, 91. Right now, Memorial Day looks breezy, hot, fantastic. 91 in your final day of May, up to 91. Again, the thunderstorms tonight likely moving in after 10 o'clock, lasting till about 1 or 2 a.m. in East Texas, and then moving out. We'll have another look at that forecast coming up in a few minutes.